Semi-frozen birch sap. It's like pure water. Let's see how you can get some. If you're doing this, note that you can only collect sap in the early spring. Best time is in April. I chose these trees because they're going to be cut down in a few days. The tools you need are very simple. Just get any old bottle, drill a hole to the cap, get a piece of tube, cut it to the right size, fit it to the cap, and drill the hole. The hole should be pretty low in the trunk and it's better to drill it slightly upwards. You only need to drill about 2 or 3 centimeters or about an inch into the tree. Clean the hole of the residue and fit the tube inside. It should be pretty tight. Using a bottle with a cap is a good idea because you want to keep the bugs out. Just make sure that it's not too tight to let some air come out. Once you're done, you should be able to see very quickly that the sap is running. However, it's a slow process, so you should leave it for a day and come back tomorrow. After I did the first one, I drilled 2 more holes to collect more sap and left him to drip. The night dipped into -degrees, so this is how it looked in the morning. I chose to take the shaker because it had collected the most sap. Well, that's fresh. Ow. Oof. So that's all. Have fun sapping trees.